The news is brought to you by the National Bank of the Virgin Islands, Cyril B. Romney Turtola Pier Park, NV Salon, Nail Spa and Barbershop, Tisley Cross Deliciously Smooth Cider, and Digicel, simply more speed, reliability and entertainment. The Royal Virgin Islands Police Force has successfully pulled the summer 28 firearms and close to 500 rounds of ammunition off the streets of the Virgin Islands so far for the year 2022. This is according to a press release from the police force today, August 18, when announcing their most recent find, which occurred at the Current Bay home of DeAndre Donovan. The 22-year-old was today charged for possession of a prohibited weapon and unlawful possession of ammunition. That is, a semi-automatic rifle with 5 rounds of ammunition. Commissioner of Police Mark Collins said that his officers are tasked with identifying persons and seizing illegal weapons have been relentless in ridding the streets of illegal firearms that have unfortunately caused too many lives. The Royal Virgin Islands Police Force continues to seek the public's help in identifying persons who are in possession of illegal weapons. Persons can contact the Royal Virgin Islands Police Force Intelligence Unit directly at 368-9339. With this JTV News Update, Kathy Richards.
We know that where you choose to bank matters, and it is your vote on what your funds do in strengthening our community. As your official Bank of Paradise, we invest and support the lifeblood of our economy by helping in the realization of personal goals for homeownership, education, and entrepreneurial visions, which support small businesses. We make it our place to connect with persons and worthy causes, and we have been doing so for more than 30 years. Where your money goes and what your dollars empower are your choice. And we thank you for choosing us, a bank that gives where it matters the most, for you, for our community, and a happier tomorrow. The National Bank of the Virgin Islands.
Fizzly Cross Cider. Fizzly Cross Cider. Deliciously smooth.
Hey, you. Put on some muscle?
I did?
No.
Rapid growth and reliance on digital systems has opened new vulnerabilities, and additional layers of cybersecurity are required to combat sophisticated cyber attacks. Simply Secure's security management solution helps overcome these challenges. Our service includes 24/7 protection for network devices, computers and servers with automatic restoration, security audits, and penetration testing. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Contact us today.